The Mercedes-Benz W245, also known as the B-Class and produced from 2005 to 2011, utilizes an OBD2 socket for vehicle diagnostics. This is a standardized 16-pin port that allows access to crucial engine and system data. It helps with troubleshooting and maintenance, and this video will show where this port is located. Devices like this OBD2 scanner connect to the port for diagnostics. The OBD2 socket in the Mercedes-Benz W245 is located beneath the driver's side dashboard. Specifically, it's positioned to the right of the steering column. Access it by reaching under the dash. In most cases, no tools required, although some trim panels may need gentle prying. To access the port, first, locate the area under the dashboard on the driver's side, near the steering column. Next, reach up and feel for the rectangular 16-pin connector. It may be slightly recessed. If a small trim panel is present, gently pry it open without using excessive force to avoid damage. The OBD2 port serves as a diagnostic gateway, allowing external devices to read error codes that indicate problems in various vehicle systems. It enables real-time monitoring of critical engine parameters, including fuel efficiency, emission levels, and other performance metrics to ensure compliance with environmental standards. The port facilitates basic troubleshooting by providing access to diagnostic data, helping identify issues before they become major problems and reducing repair costs. It establishes communication with key vehicle systems, including the engine control unit, transmission, airbags, and other electronic modules for comprehensive diagnostics. Data transmission occurs through standardized protocols such as CAN, or Controller Area Network, which efficiently handles communication between the port and vehicle electronics. Before connecting any device to the OBD2 port, ensure the vehicle's ignition is in the on position, but do not start the engine. This provides power to the port for communication without risking electrical interference or potential damage. Avoid starting the engine while the device is connected to the OBD2 port. This can cause voltage spikes, data interference, or potentially damage the diagnostic equipment. Only start the engine if the device manufacturer explicitly instructs you to do so. Many W245 owners use Bluetooth or Wi-Fi OBD2 adapters, like OBD-Link or ELM327 devices, to connect their smartphones to the vehicle's diagnostic port. These adapters work with smartphone apps such as Torque or Car Scanner, providing an intuitive interface for vehicle diagnostics. The apps enable real-time monitoring of vehicle performance, displaying metrics like engine RPM, coolant temperature, and fuel efficiency. For accurate data on your W245, ensure the adapter and app are specifically compatible with Mercedes-Benz vehicles to access proprietary systems. If you encounter connection problems, first verify the adapter is securely plugged into the OBD2 port. Next, check that the ignition is on. Check the app's settings to ensure it's configured correctly for your vehicle model. If issues persist, the adapter may be faulty or incompatible. While the OBD2 system in the Mercedes-Benz W245 remains a stable legacy technology, automotive diagnostics are evolving toward wireless and integrated solutions. Industry trends show a shift from physical OBD2 ports to wireless diagnostic systems, with proposals for OBD3 standards featuring advanced cybersecurity and 5G connectivity for real-time vehicle monitoring. For the W245, aftermarket OBD2 adapters now support cloud-based analytics, allowing owners to track vehicle health through apps that predict maintenance needs and reduce breakdowns by 20 to 30%. As technology advances, newer vehicles are transitioning to proprietary diagnostic methods, potentially phasing out physical OBD2 ports by the 2030s in favor of integrated systems in electric and hybrid models. While the W245's OBD2 system is dependable for now, understanding these future trends helps owners prepare for evolving automotive diagnostics.